Dear 5th grade students, hi! I hope that you are fine and enjoying your time and that you are learning something new every day. Today we will learn about something that we all wait for. We all wait for holidays in Palestine. We will also learn about seasons and months. Let's start together. Okay, let's start with the months of the year. You all know them, but let's remember them together. Let's look at the pictures and at the names of the months of the year. Okay, let's listen and repeat the months of the year.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
After you have listened and repeated the months of the year, let's look at them together. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and the cold December. Excellent! Let's make sure that we all know the months of the year.
Month, year.
Now let's look at the different seasons of the year. Yes, we have 4 different seasons during the year. First of all, let's look at the pictures and guess, which season is this? When we make a snowman, when we wear our coats and we keep shaking. Yes, it's the season of winter. Very good. Do you know the months of winter? Yes, it's in December, January, and February. Excellent, students. And now let's look at the second picture. It's the picture of spring. We all love spring. It's the month of flowering. We have flowers. We have cool breeze, butterflies, bees, and everything that we enjoy. Green lands. We like to go to picnics in this season because the weather is good. After spring comes summer. Yes, it's after the spring comes summer. What do we do during the summer season? It's the season when we have the long holiday. Yes, it's in June, July, and August. Let's remember, what do we usually do during summer? We go to the beaches. We swim. Yes, we do many interesting things during summer season. We also go to summer camps and do many adventures. Excellent, student. And now let's look at the last season. And it is autumn. What happens in autumn? It's the month when the leaves of the trees become yellow and they start to fall. It's the month in which we start to feel that we are cold. Excellent. Now I want you to tell me which season do you prefer? Do you prefer the cold winter or the flowers in spring? Or do you love the beaches in summer? Or do you enjoy the cool weather in autumn? Which one do you like? Can you draw on your notebook your favorite season and the things that you see and do during this season? Personally, I will choose spring because I love spring and I will draw many butterflies, flowers, rainbow on my notebook. Work with me. Now, dear students, we will look at this conversation. Who can you see? Who are these two people? You know them. Yes, this is Amy, and this is her brother, Ben. What are they looking at? They are looking at a calendar. Which month does the calendar show? It shows the months of summer. June, July, August. Now, I want you to listen carefully to the conversation between Amy and Ben so that we can answer to some questions after you listen. Listen carefully.
Amy and Ben want to go on holiday. The long summer holiday is in the months of June, July, and August.
June, July, and August are very hot. I want to go to the beach.
Oh, good! It's the summer holiday. I want to go to Haifa.
Now, let's try to answer to some questions. Question 1. When is the long holiday? Yes, the long holiday is in summer. It's in the months of June, July, and August. Very good. Why does Amy want to go to the beach? Amy wants to go to the beach because in June, July, and August, it is very hot. Why? Why is it hot in these months? Because they are the months of summer. Excellent, students. Now, let's listen to this conversation between Omar and Rania. Excellent. They are also looking at a calendar. But notice, they are looking at different months of the year. December, January, and February. Which months are these? Yes, they are the months of winter. Excellent. Let's now listen to the conversation and answer to the questions. Listen carefully.
Omar and Rania look at the winter months of December, January, and February. In February, we have a holiday too.
December and January are very cold. What are we going to do in February?
It's a holiday. We're going to Aunt Amina's farm. We can ride the horses.
Let's answer to these two questions. 1. Why do Omar and Rania want to visit farm? Their aunt's farm. Why do they want to visit their aunt's farm? They are going to the farm because there they can ride the horses. They love horse riding, so they want to go there to ride the horses. Excellent. Let's look at the second question. What are the months of winter? Yes, what are the months of winter? Winter months are December, January, and February. Excellent. Do you love winter? What about you? What activities do you usually do in winter? Now, let's look at the picture and listen to the conversation between Rania and Ben. They are also looking at the calendar and they are showing each other some photos. Look at the photos. What is Omar doing in this photo? He is flying his kite. Look at Rania. What is she doing in this photo? She is picking olives. Now, let's listen carefully to their conversation and answer some questions. Listen.
The season of autumn is windy. The months of September, October, and November are in autumn.
Look, Ben, we can fly our kites in October. It's windy.
Great! I like to fly my kite. What are you doing in that photo?
Rania and I are collecting olives.
Can you tell me what are the months of autumn? What are the months of autumn? The months of autumn are September, October, and November. Excellent. What can we do in autumn? What activities do people do in autumn? We can fly our kites in autumn. Why? Because it's windy. We have wind, so we can fly our kites. Have you ever flied your kite in autumn? Yes? Now we have this picture. We have two girls. Who are they? They are Amy and Rania. What are they doing? They are looking at pictures on their computer. Excellent. Now we will listen to the conversation between Amy and Rania and then answer to few questions. Listen carefully.
Amy and Rania look at the internet. They look at the spring flowers. Spring is in the months of March, April, and May.
I like spring. Spring is March, April, and May?
Yes. Sometimes it's rainy in spring and we play indoors.
What does Rania play? Why does Rania play indoors? Do you know what indoors means? It means inside the house, not outdoors, not in the open space. Why does Rania play indoors in March, April, and May? Yes, it's because sometimes it's rainy in spring. In these months, it rains. So we play indoors, not outdoors. What are the months of spring? The months of spring are March, April, and May. Many people love spring and they wait for these months to come. What about you? Do you like spring? Now, I want you to think of the month that you were born in and the season that you were born in. And then I want you to draw that season into your notebook. Personally, I was born in spring, so I will draw spring with the flowers, butterflies, and everything that is beautiful. Dear 5th grade students, I hope that you have learned about seasons and months of the year and that we have great time with me. Thank you.